Today we're going to replace this discharge hose on this 2012 Hyundai. Man, it's too windy for that. The first thing we need to do is recover the refrigerant. It comes out of the low side. Otherwise, if you recover the refrigerant out of the high side, you'll be pulling oil out of the system. Unless that's what you want to do. Once our system reaches about 10 inches of vacuum, 10 inches mercury vacuum, then we can call it pretty much done for recovery. We recovered 0.5 kilograms of refrigerant. As part of this job, I'm also going to replace the valve core on the low side. What's going on here? Why isn't that coming up? What the heck? There's the old valve core. We'll put a new one in. The new core is on the tool, ready to be installed. It's also got some oil to lubricate it. I can't even... So the new hose comes with the high side port, so we don't need to change the valve core on the old one. Let's remove the bolt that holds the hose onto the compressor. The wrong angle. Rotate that 90 degrees. There we go. Let's disconnect the nut that holds the hose to the condenser. Pop the hose out of the compressor. Just pull straight out. Lift it off of the... and this comes right out. Alright, take a look at this old hose. Notice that there's some oil residue on it along with some dirt. And so that oil residue is indicative of a leaking hose. Let's remove the protective cap and lubricate the O-ring with some refrigerant oil. Now let's install the hose. Don't know if you'll be able to see this while I do it. Maybe not. Sorry, guys. The next step is to vacuum the system down. I let it vacuum for over an hour, and now we're going to wait 10 minutes to make sure that the vacuum doesn't drop. Okay, it's 10 minutes later. Let's check the vacuum. I'd say maybe a 0.2 inches of mercury loss. That could be from my port attachments. Okay, let's add refrigerant. Okay, 0.525 is my target. All right, let's start it up and see how it goes. 35 degrees, not too bad. I like it. I'll disconnect the low side port while the compressor is still running so that it will be less pressure when I disconnect it and less remaining in the hose. And now the high side port is down close to 100 pounds of pressure, so we'll take this one off now. Remember to put the caps back on.